Salt spray testing, also known as salt fog testing, is a standardized method used to evaluate how well materials and coatings resist corrosion. At Captain Corrosion, we use this powerful tool to simulate harsh environments and uncover how long your materials can survive in the real world. In this demonstration, we are testing both bare and coated carbon steel, side by side for a duration of 24 hours. Before testing begins, we record each sample's initial condition by weighing and photographing them. This gives us a clear baseline for comparison after exposure. The samples are then mounted on a specially designed rack, ensuring a consistent 15-degree tilt for proper exposure. Once ready, the samples are placed into the salt spray chamber. The test is run using a neutral 5% sodium chloride solution held at 35 degrees Celsius. This test runs for 24 hours. But what does that mean in real-world terms? Our online salt spray simulation tool converts test duration into an equivalent real-world exposure time in years, helping you understand long-term durability. After the test, the chamber is turned off. Samples are carefully rinsed, inspected, and removed for further analysis. Once dried, the samples are weighed and photographed again, allowing us to compare before and after corrosion levels and quantify weight change. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for salt spray testing services, custom sample racks, or want to try out our simulation tool, check the video description below. For quotes or inquiries, feel free to contact Captain Corrosion.